Hi, I'm Sandeep Varma and I am pleased to welcome you to my next video about spoken English. Today we are going to learn some very simple sentence structures. Now, we will not learn any complicated grammar because we want to learn English here and we have to learn it about how to speak it properly. So you need not go in the details of the grammar. So, we'll understand some very simple sentence structures today. And I'm sure this video will definitely help you to speak English. At least you'll be able to speak some simple sentences very easily. Now, friends, do you know that there is a pattern in every sentence? Suppose if I give some example to you, like I play cricket, I am playing cricket, I have played cricket, and I have been playing cricket. Now, have you noticed one thing in this? All these sentences, when I say to you, like I play cricket, I am playing cricket, I have played cricket, I have been playing cricket, I is not changed, cricket is not changed. Only one word that changed, and that was the verb. Okay, verb is the only word that changes in the all sentence or tense structures. So if you master the pattern of the verb, then it becomes very easy for you to speak any tense sentence. And we are going to learn that today. Okay, friends, as you know very well that there are two kind of verbs. One is dynamic or action verbs, and there are stative or being or linking verbs. Today we are going to learn being or linking verbs. What are these being or linking verbs? Actually, as you know that these verbs have come from be. So they are like is, am, are, was, were. First we learn that. Okay. Now let us try to understand what are these linking verbs. Linking verbs are connecting subject with the object. Nothing else. They are just making simple sentences. Okay. So here we have to notice the verb pattern. You know one thing, I want to tell you some simple structures. So first let us learn is, am and are. I am. We are. You are. You are means singular also you are and plural also you are. So you, whenever we speak, it is considered both one you is single and one when you is plural. In the both way we have to use only are. So there is no any singular or plural in you. With you, you remember always you have to use are. With he is, she is, it is, and they are. A student is, the students are. So you can notice one pattern here, that with all verbs of is, am, are, you can see all the plurals like we, you, they all are using are only. Means whenever there are plural subjects, you have to use are only, like you, we, or they. But with singulars, we have two choices. We have to use, not choice, but we have some rules. We have to use is or am, and I is always connected with am. I is always used with am only. So we have now he, she, it, that is third person singular. If I talk about he, then I have to use is. If I talk about she, then I have to use is. And if I talk about it, I have to use is. So she is, he is, and it is, and they are. We have to remember this only. Now let us see some structure, and we'll also see some sentences of this pattern. Suppose we learn I am a teacher. We are teachers. You are a student, singular. You are students, plural. Then he is a student, she is a student, it is a chair, and they are students. With any name you have to use is only. Raj is a student, Simran is a student, and with the students we have to use are. The students are there. So friends, remember, with plurals like we, you and they, we have to use are. With singulars like I, we have to use am only, and with he we have to use is. With she we have to use is, and with it we have to use is. With Raj is, Simran is, a student is, and the students are and they are. So remember these rules and they will be very much helpful. Now we'll see some structures of the past tense which use was and were. They are very simple. Let us see. Okay. When we talk about singulars, it's very simple because whenever we are talking about singulars in past tense, we use only was. Here there is no special case for I. I was, he was, she was, it was. So let us see some structures. I was, we were, you were, you plural है, you were, singular plural दोनों में were ही use करना है. He was, she was, it was, and they were. So it's very clear that with all singulars in past tense we have to use was, and with all plurals we have to use were. Now let us study some sentence structures. I was a teacher. We were teachers. You were a student. You were students. He was a student. She was a student. It was a chair. And they were students. So with all plurals we have to use were, and with all singulars we have to use was in linking verbs. Please keep these things in mind and it will be very easy for you to form any sentence. So I think these structures are very much helpful to you in making simple sentences, and please learn these structures carefully and make new sentences and make a journal of this and make as many new sentences as you can, and our journey will be really wonderful, and I hope you will be benefited greatly by this series of videos. Friends, I would like to remind you one thing. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. And please share with your friends and relatives so they also can learn spoken English very easily. Now these are the small steps I am teaching you, then we will go to the big steps afterwards, but I think you will learn it very properly with me. Thank you for being with me. So let's meet in the next video. Bye for now. Signing off now, Sandeep Varma.